So once you're logged in or signed into your Canva account, to find the Bear Printing app, it's pretty simple. Over here on the left column, click More, click Apps, and then you can just type to find it. This is going to be the easiest. You can simply type Bear, and we show up right here. You can type in MLS, and we'll show up right there. You can type in listings, and we show up for you. And you can type in real estate, and then we show up right there for you. So then once you find it, however you want to search for it, you just click it and just say use an existing design or use with new design. Either one will get you logged in, but this kind of shows you what it does. It has your listings, and then it can merge everything over from your listing. So we can say use a new design or existing design if you have one saved with you. Open a project. And then now you'll have the Bear app over here on the left column. So you can click that. It's going to ask you to connect. So you just simply sign in with your Bear Printing account. And then it'll have your user information. It'll have your photo and personal photo and logos. And it'll have all your contact information that gets pulled over. You can then go to Home. You can see your listings. And then you can build a template from there. So you can just simply select like this new property, and if this was your template, you can just simply drag it over, and you can do that for all the photos. And then you can just type in your new message, and then you can also merge. So it's a little more work, but you have to set up your template for tagging. So it basically knows that this is photo 1, this is photo 2, 3, 4, that this is your heading, and I'll have another video about that.